It's Eric at MarineMax here in Rogers. I'm on the show floor with a fresh trade alert. This is a 2023 Saxdor 320 GTO. We're gonna hop inside. I'm gonna show you around this great trade-in. So I'm on our recent trade, the 2023 Saxdor 320 GTO. This is an open boat. It's a Finnish company, Saxdor is. Boats are built in Poland. They were launched by a team that had launched previously 4 other boat manufacturers nationwide, worldwide, successfully. This 32 is powered by twin 300 V8s. It's got the full seating in this particular model, which means all 3 rows of seating. You can start with the sun pad on the back here that allows it to flip over and be a forward facing so that you can make use of the kitchenette or the table in the middle here. Both sides of this will flip up for extra accessibility. Both table sides will go down into the floor so that that backrest can actually flip all the way down, and you can have a aft facing sun pad all the way from this middle row of seats all the way back, which is great when you are coving out. So the middle row of seats does slide forward to gain you additional access to the summer kitchen here with the cooktop and a sink. On both ends, you can see that there's a refrigerator on both sides of it. This does have the upgraded stereo as well, which is a Fusion stereo. 2 16-inch Simrad screens. It does have independent bow thruster and joystick with those outboards that we were talking about earlier. You can step down underneath here. You've got 3 captain's chairs. It's designed to be run while you're standing. You do have a bolster in each one of these seats. We're gonna not take too much time down in the cabin, but you can kind of see it from here that you've got a nice spot to get out of the sun. It is air conditioned. There is a small head on the inside there, which is really nice. And then we'll head up to the bow. And once you get up into the bow, you've got these nice bow cushions with 2 cup holders on either side. And it's a great place while you're underway to just have the wind in your face and blowing. It's a beautiful boat from Saxdor, the 32 GTO. It's a fresh trade. It's on our Rogers show floor, so come and take a look.